Okay. Mm. I'll use the camera first. Fine. So now we'll start. The Lion King, one of the movies that and I show you how to draw. We are already start. This was senior actually. Okay, this drawing and this drawing. Creating for senior students. Okay, this is the Lion King movie. It's called Simba. Okay, and for the junior, I did before this character. Yes, the pencil sketch better. I show you. This is for the your age. So yeah, this kind of sketching. After one circle, yes, beta, tell me. This is a movie called The Lion King, and that movie I show the characters how. Yes, beta. Yeah, I draw one movie called the Lion King, and I create the character of one. The character, the name is a Copa. Okay, Guru Copa. This one. So now I just first make circle. After the circle make complete, we just draw here. Okay, here. Can draw one line like this. And like this too. Okay. 3. So this is the characters. We are creating the character. 1, 2. Okay. Like this. 3. 1, 2, 3. So we are doing one box over there. Creating one box. Okay, so one circle and one box. Yes. Yeah. Make it one circle, and after that make a box. First one line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line. Upper 4 line first draw, and then 1, 2, 3. Then you can join 1 like this. You can do it. I just tell you, first make a box circle. First draw the circle, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then join 1, 2. Our I show you. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. First make like this. Circle. Then 1. Do like first. Okay, fine. So I show you. No need to draw box. You can draw another oval. Is it okay? Make another oval. Is it okay? You can do it. Make make first circle and another circle. Make here another circle. Okay. Two circle is there. Okay. Yeah. This is one circle. Cube, right? This cube you make like this first. Make circle and then one. Okay. See, I just pick a one. Then two. Like see like this line. Two. Then three. Four. Take it like cube like this. Five. Show. It's okay, fine. Only this line should be. It's fine. You can go ahead. Yes, it's fine. It's quite okay. Yes. So now, after that, so here is circle now. In this circle, we are creating this one line like this. Okay, it's for the eyes line. Yes. Off. No, my video is not off. Maybe you wait few minutes or you leave and again join. Here is a fine video actually. Okay, yeah, I show that. So now after that, here in this position, when you draw the finishing this things, you just after that is a construction line. So after that you are just chill it or erasing these things. Okay, one thing also you can do. Now we'll start. This is the position. So first two circle, or you are making the circle and cube. Okay, this is yes. Full construction line. This is full drawing. You can erase first. Full. Okay. Yeah. So here the outside side make it dark too. I'm using this underpaints. Charcoal, dark charcoal pencil. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, this goods we are need to create some black spots. Like this. Like this. You can make some spots like, yeah, you do the spots something you can see there. Yes, very good. It is a cheetah actually we are making, not tiger. Leopard. We are making leopard. Okay, issues. So you can create some textures of here and there. This is like yeah. So yeah, it's not visible now. So yeah, this part need to work little this down. This part is little dark. Put some dark tone so it is visible the gap of this. Understood better this part. So we are using the charcoal painting, but not using charcoal directly. We are using charcoal pencil and creating this. This is one part of cheetah. This is one. The cheetah family is one. Yeah. Sure, beta. Yeah, nice. So slowly, if you are drawing this, you can achieve the quality of drawing. So I want to show you this quality. show your drawing. Oh yeah. Then after that you can leave. I have to go. Another classes. This one is yeah 159. Wow. Yeah. Pencil is very good, beta. Just one two things. You are just add something more.